Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Adobe Express for your social media. First of all, in the Adobe Express, it gives you lots of templates so you can create your social media post. For example, if you go to like I want to create an Instagram post, I will simply go on uh, templates, just click on that. From here, I will get lots of templates which I can easily use them. And for example, I want this one. Just click on the customize template. Now here you can add text, delete text, you can customize, and after customization you can share with your, once your design is complete, you can download it or directly share it on your social media channel. Now next is to, you can schedule posts with the content scheduler. Just simply go on the home page, you will get to see this schedule. From here you can schedule and plan your social media posts directly to multi-social channels. Just simply click on that. After creating your post, uh, your your content, schedule it by selecting the date and time for posting. This feature ensures the consistent engagement with your audience without manual effort. So you can just simply click on this. It will help you to, it will guide you through all the uh, steps. Now here you can create a social media post. So simply click on, and you can add caption, and here from here you can add that post. So this is how you can schedule your social media post. Now third is to, you can create social media ads. So start with the templates. Like you can go on the search bar and simply you can search whatever ad you want to create. For example, I want to create an ad for honey. I will simply type ads template for honey. Yeah, just search on it. So here you can see there are lots of templates available. Just click on that, whatever you want. After selecting the post, just click on customize template. From here you can access all the customizable options. For example, if I want to change this text to honey, I can simply change it. You can add your logo, branding, and messaging, adjust fonts and colors as well. You can add images as well, publish across the platform. You can resize the ads for different platforms like Instagram or other social media platforms. You can do that as well. And you can explore advanced feature as well, like use Adobe Stock for videos and photos. Like if I click on photos, it will give me high quality photos, or I can search it easily. So I can create a cursor post by duplicating pages within a project while maintaining consistent branding, and save the templates for use in the future campaign to save time. So this is how you can use Adobe Express.